Chainsaw Parts and Repair. We have kind of a rare treat today. We are looking at a Canadian model, the Homelite Super XL Mini. I know it just says Super Mini, but all of the literature on these things says Super XL Mini. For all intents and purposes, it is a Homelite Super EZ with the same color scheme. This should be a 1975 model saw. Super clean. I mean, obviously I hosed it off. You can still see a little bit of few water drops and all that, but just a clean saw. Sprocket doesn't have much wear on it. That's probably put one chain, been used for one full chain. That's about it. Normal paint wear on the lower handlebar here, but just a super clean saw. So, let me grab the drive case cover here. That's probably got the most wear of anything. The black ring is gone, but most of the logo is still there. Again, this saw is just in great shape. It has new fuel hoses, new grommet on the air filter, cleaned out. Again, if this saw has, if it has 30 hours on it total runtime, I would be utterly shocked. So, whoever decides to buy this one is going to be getting a great saw.